Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use your Casio calculators for calculating binomial probability distribution. So I have got a problem for you here. So in this problem we have got a biased coin has a probability of 0.3 of landing heads. The coin is tossed 10 times. Find the probability that the coin lands heads exactly 4 times. So whenever you see the word exactly, that's the case when we are looking at px is equal to 4. So this is a binomial distribution where probability of success is 0.3 and there are 10 trials that we have got. Now, in order to calculate this probability, we need to use BPDF, that is binomial probability distribution function. So how we can calculate that? We will calculate that by going to statistics on your calculator. Go to statistics. Here you will have distribution. So this, press the F5 key, go for binomial, and then you go for BPD. So here your data is not a list, it's a variable. So select var. Now you have to enter the X, how many success you are looking to calculate. So we are going to calculate 4 success. What's the number of trials we have got here? So the number of trial that we have is, total number of trial that we have is 10. And then what is the probability of success, which is 0.3 as given in the problem. Now I will execute and that will give me my answer. So the answer is 0.2001. So up to 3 significant figures I can write probability of getting exactly 4 success is 0.2001. And up to 3 significant figures I can write 0.200. That's my answer.